Good evening, this is Jan. Now we're here in a very nice restaurant near the sea here in Hua Hin, where they got lots of Thai food, but also some Spanish and French food. Sometimes when I'm in Thailand I want to eat some different, so that's why we ordered Spanish food. And we start with some tapas. So here we got chorizo, beautiful Spanish pork sausage made with smoked paprika powder, also known as pimentón. And these are mushrooms. And this is a Caesar salad. That's Spanish.
เดี๋ยวต้องตื่นตี 4เพื่อขับรถมาที่นี่แต่ว่ามันดูอันนี้ไป
Tapas are always nice. Now that is tasty. The beautiful mushroom flavor together with the garlic, olive oil, a little bit of herbs. And my favorite sausage, chorizo. Right. And that is that smoky flavor, alright. Then on the bread, because the Spanish always eat bread with everything.
But we're gonna get those ones.
Yeah, which one do you want?
Four.
Now here we got our beautiful Spanish main dishes. So this is fideuà, which is kind of similar to paella, seafood paella, but it's not with rice, but with some kind of noodle pasta kind of thing. So we got shells, a little bit of shrimp, and this is Zarzuela, also a Spanish dish. It's kind of stew, seafood stew. So what we got here is big shrimp and also clams and potato. Now I got two beautiful Spanish dishes on my plate. I will start with this fideuà, if I pronounce that right. No, the story goes that this is like paella, but some people started making this without the rice, but instead they used some pasta. That's why it's noodles is pasta. But for the taste, it's similar to paella. Some nice seafood in it, one mussel, one kind of piece of squid, octopus.
You eat the perfect shot. And then when you got to the 10, and then when you got to the 10, you hit it hard and there's no.
And it goes through. So I hit it this much shorter than drain.
It's nice, that seafood flavor. I love seafood with paella and similar stuff. Of course, you can make paella with chicken, meat, pork, rabbit. That's what they do. in the original recipe from Valencia, but then again Spain has lots of coastal lines, so that's why they created in many areas seafood paella. Shrimp. Nice.
Even without the brains,
That's a good piece. That's a bit
Velcro.
Yeah, this has the kind of salty, a bit of turmeric, kind of spices on it. That is beautiful. Then the Zarzuela. Try a little bit of that liquid first. That is full of seafood flavors. It's like you taste the sea. A little bit briny, a little bit salty. Now, there's big pieces of fish in this. I'm not sure which fish this is, but it can be like codfish.
So the first hole, the green goes like that, slopes like that. And the Asian goes there. Sorry, the Asian goes that way.
That is good.
Fun, right?
Then the fish meat.
Normally it would break, it will break a metre, you know. So I said to him, I said, listen.
Beautiful taste for that liquid. And of course, potatoes. What's a stew without potatoes?
It's not going to break. It hits it and actually breaks right.
Here we got a clam. I mean, clams in Thailand are the best in the world, if you ask me. This is a beautiful dish.
I'll tell you why I don't like to be here. Because it makes you spin hard. You didn't realise you remember you had that button.
Yeah, you're much better in this than I am. It's the head.
I don't know how I do for this. Tip. This. Can do
Okay.
with this because they have some.
Meat inside, yeah? In the legs.
I'm not sure if have a little bit.
Okay, I can try.
Yeah.
Thank you.
เอากระดาษให้แม่กระดาษปิด
Then for the best part of the seafood, which is the big shrimp.
You know what? We have
Plus, got a glass of nice white wine. I'm not sure which grape variety this is. Didn't ask. It's a little bit spicy, it's fresh, it's got some citrus, some apple. So I think it could be Pinot Grigio, but I'm not sure again, so I will ask later. Then I'm sure. Anyway, this one is nice with the seafood. So, back to the seafood. Here we got the head of the shrimp, which is always full of flavors. Not easy to eat, but I'll manage.
No ice.
So, there's the head. Then,
There's a lot of fun.
some more of the head. Ah, yeah.
Sin for squid.
Yeah,
No, it's
Sin.
better.
this got lots of flavor. Yeah.
No. Did someone tell you?
Yeah?
Yeah, that is so sweet. Beautiful shrimp meat. Good.
When you go to Bangor, there's more. They get out there, there's people out there. No word. No street. Back down. So, thank you.
Now that is tasty. Cheers. Look at these
ไม่
clams.
ซื้อขวดใหญ่ซื้อขวดเล็กๆเวลาอยากกิน
What I'm saying,
ไม่ถึงแก้ว
best in the world.
ไม่นานมันไม่อร่อยแม่มันจัดมัน
Especially
ไม่นานขนาดนั้นแม่
in
ก็
this
กิน
stew.
ทีละ
This
ช็อต
sauce.
วันละช็อตก็พอ
Mediterranean flavors in
กิน
Southeast
เวลากิน
Asia.
ไม่เวลาแม่นึกอยาก
That was beautiful. That was the taste of Spain in Thailand. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. And remember, keep on enjoying your food like I do.
Anyone.
Anyone.
You're in the water. All that side.